Today we're going to be talking about all things peanut allergy. So what is peanut allergy? Peanut allergy is one of the most common allergens to exist, and it's especially prevalent in children. Those who have a peanut allergy have an immune system that sees peanuts as invaders or something harmful to the body, so it causes a reaction. This reaction can be mild or severe, and it typically depends on the amount consumed and how sensitive the individual is to peanuts. Peanut allergy is also the leading cause of food-related anaphylaxis and death. Food-related anaphylaxis is an allergic reaction that is severe and possibly life-threatening, and in most cases requires medical attention. Anaphylaxis and less severe reactions can be categorized by many symptoms that affect most parts of the body. Some of the skin symptoms that may occur during an allergic reaction are hives, which are raised bumps on your skin. Itching, swelling, and redness are other skin-related symptoms. The mouth and throat can start to itch and tingle and start to swell or get tighter. One of the symptoms of anaphylaxis is that the throat or tongue starts to swell so much that it can restrict airflow, which can be deadly. In the digestive system, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and abdominal pain or cramps are common. In extreme cases and anaphylaxis, confusion, anxiety, and loss of consciousness are possible. In the respiratory system, there can be coughing, shortness of breath, and wheezing, some of which may occur due to swelling in the throat. Individuals may also have increased heart rate, lightheadedness, or faint. What causes peanut allergies? Like I said before, the immune system mistakes peanut proteins, which are like building blocks in the peanuts, as intruders. It overreacts to the peanut proteins and releases chemicals such as the chemical histamine, which causes the allergic reaction and the whole list of symptoms I mentioned before. As of right now, researchers believe that having a peanut allergy or allergy in general is genetic and or based on early exposure to the allergen. However, a definite reason why some people have allergies and others do not requires more research. So what specifically happens in the body to trigger a reaction? An immune response only develops after the first time a person gets exposed to or eats peanuts. Think of your immune system as a security team that protects the body from harmful invaders. In someone with peanut allergy, the security team mistakes peanuts as a threat. So the first time that peanuts enter the body, the immune system makes wanted posters, which represent IgE antibodies. These posters are distributed and stuck on a type of security guard called mast cells, which are located all over the body. Later, when peanuts enter the body again, the mast cells or security guards recognize the peanut because it matches the wanted signs attached to them. When this match happens, the mast cells panic and sound the alarm by releasing chemicals such as histamine. The chemical leads to an allergic reaction on all the symptoms accompanying it. So is there a cure? Unfortunately, there's no cure developed to eliminate allergies, but there are methods to prevent and reduce symptoms. The first method is emergency medication. This is typically used when a reaction is occurring to reduce symptoms or to buy more time to get to the hospital. An example of this is an EpiPen, which contains a chemical that relaxes muscles. Another method is a prevention technique called immunotherapy, where increasing doses of peanuts are given to those with the allergy in the hopes that eventually their body won't react to it. Lastly, the best way to prevent a reaction is to avoid peanuts entirely. No reaction can occur if there's nothing to trigger it. So why does knowing about peanut allergies matter? Let's first start off by looking at this slide of different dishes. There's desserts, noodles, chicken. What do they all have in common? They all contain peanuts. However, it's not easy to tell that just by looking at them. This is what people with peanut allergies have to go through. They have to be on high alert when consuming food because it can be difficult to know and see when an allergen might be present. Peanut allergy affects those who directly have it and those who know people with it. Peanut allergies can be life-threatening, even from a little bit of exposure. Knowing how they work, recognizing the signs and symptoms, and knowing how to respond can prevent reactions from becoming medical emergencies. Being aware of how serious reactions can be leads to actions to prevent them, such as reading ingredient labels and asking waiters about allergens before ordering. It also allows family and friends to support those who have to live with peanut allergies by knowing how to react and ultimately saving lives. Thank you.